Valentine's Day, 2024. Scientists create gel to mend broken hearts. How does it work? Scientists have developed a wood pulp hydrogel to strengthen anti-cancer medications and restore damaged cardiac tissue, offering hope for mending broken hearts. The hydrogel, made of wood pulp-derived cellulose nanocrystals, mimics the fibrous nanostructures and characteristics of human tissues, providing a groundbreaking solution for repairing damaged heart tissue and enhancing cancer therapies. Dr. Elizabeth Prince, a researcher in chemical engineering, highlights the potential of tumor organoids for developing personalized cancer therapies. While the large pores in the hydrogel's nanofibrous design allow for efficient nutrient and waste product transport, impacting the material's mechanical qualities and cell interaction. This innovative hydrogel breakthrough offers promising possibilities for both cancer treatment and cardiac tissue repair, marking a significant step forward in the field of regenerative medicine. Like, share, and subscribe IZ News.